Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live, and it's our Camp Margaritaville Crystal Beach show. In fact, we've brought in 2026. Let's look ahead at 2026 and see what Camp Margaritaville Crystal Beach has to offer. Camp Margaritaville Crystal Beach brings a true Texas-sized vacation experience to the upper Texas coast, blending laid-back island vibes with big, bold amenities designed for families, friends, and travelers looking to relax and have fun. Just steps from the beach, this premier RV resort has quickly become one of the most talked about destinations on Bolivar Peninsula. At the heart of the resort is a Texas-sized pool that feels more like a tropical oasis than an RV resort amenity. With plenty of space to cool off or keep warm, lounge, and soak up the coastal sunshine, the pool area is a favorite gathering spot for guests of all ages. Whether you're floating the afternoon away or unwinding after a day in the sand, it's the perfect place to slow down and enjoy the coastal lifestyle. Live entertainment adds to the energy at Paradise Park, where live music fills the air on weekends. From laid-back coastal sets to upbeat bands that get the crowd moving, Paradise Park creates a fun social atmosphere that makes every weekend feel like a celebration. Grab a drink, kick back with friends, and enjoy the sounds of live music under the Texas sky. In fact, let's look at some of the live music they have coming up in the weeks ahead. Friday, January 9th. Matthew Marcus McDaniel, and Saturday, January 10th, Copperhead Jones. Friday, January 16th, Braden Stewart. Saturday, January 17th, Kyle Garrett. Friday, January 23rd, Caleb Hamby. Saturday, January 24th, Tyler Bond. Friday, January 30th, Chris Cunningham. And Saturday, January 31st, Tyler Branch. You don't want to miss the live music at Paradise Park. Check out their schedule on their website at campmargaritavillecrystalbeach.com. For guests looking for something new and unique, the surf bungalows are ready and waiting, fully furnished. These stylish, coastal-inspired accommodations offer the comfort of a vacation rental with the convenience of resort living. They're ideal for couples, small families, or anyone wanting a beachy getaway without towing an RV down to Bolivar Peninsula. No RV? No problem. Camp Margaritaville Crystal Beach offers 30 fully furnished RV rentals, making it easy for anyone to enjoy the RV resort experience. Each rental is thoughtfully equipped so you can arrive, unpack, and start relaxing right away. No setup required. With resort-style amenities, live music, unique lodging options, and a welcoming atmosphere, Camp Margaritaville Crystal Beach delivers a one-of-a-kind Texas coastal getaway. Whether you're staying for a weekend or an extended escape, this is where coastal relaxation meets Margaritaville fun, Texas style. For more information on Camp Margaritaville Crystal Beach, all the amenities, the surf bungalows, RVs, or if you're bringing your big rig down or your pop-up, go to their website at www.campmargaritavillecrystalbeach.com. Sign up for their newsletters where periodically they have discounted stays. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. Come explore Camp Margaritaville Crystal Beach. God bless and bye-bye. Video equipment is sponsored by Crystal Beach Decor and More, located at 1959 Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas, and Beachy Beatnik Boutique and Jewelry, located at 970 Surfside and Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas. Thank you to these two businesses for being our 2025 video equipment sponsor for Bolivar Live.